Hello Czech learners! Here is a class with explanation and ton of practice on Czech verbs of the third group. Get ready! Ahoj, já jsem Kateřina, jsem učitelka češtiny pro cizince and this is another lesson from my 0 to A1 course in Czech. We have a lot of practice ahead today, so take a pen, print out the exercise sheet from the link down below and let's get started. Thanks a million to everyone who subscribes, likes and comments. And now to the business. In this lesson, number 29, I want to cover the most important Czech verbs of third group. Those are the verbs that are ending on OVAT. For example, sportovat, relaxovat, studovat. Let's see how many of these verbs do you already know. Look at cvičení 1. You already know we use international words in Czech. All international verbs will end on OVAT, and so they all fall in this group of verbs. All international verbs are third group. In cvičení 1, translate into English these international words that are commonly used in Czech. You will be surprised how many you will be able to understand. No need to memorize these just now, only enjoy the understanding process. Here are the answers. Let's now work around the verbs that are extremely frequent, used all the time, and so they're really good to remember. In cvičení 2, guess the meaning, try to connect these not that easy to figure out Czech verbs with appropriate picture and their English translation. Here are the answers. Now, the crucial question. How do we use these verbs in sentences? This is how the conjugation looks like. Put away the ending ovat and in every person add the correct ending. Pracovat. Já pracuju. Pracuji. Ty pracuješ. On, ona, ono pracuje. My pracujeme. Vy pracujete. Oni pracujou. Pracují. Here is a tip for you. Both forms pracuju, pracuji and pracujou, pracují are standard Czech forms of the verb. Form pracuju and pracujou is more commonly used in spoken language and in less formal written forms. Forms pracuji and pracují are used in more formal situations, also in both written and spoken word. Now try cvičení 3. Put Czech verbs into all forms of I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Here are the answers. I think you are ready to use the verbs in sentences now. In cvičení 4, fill in the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Here are the answers. How did it go? Don't worry if there is too much new vocabulary. After you're done with this lesson, there is a MEMRISE course ready for you again, so you can practice all these verbs in an interactive form on this website or app for free. And now let's have even more practice by speaking a little. You will see a sentence like this on the screen. Try to say the whole sentence with the correct form of the verb out loud. After a few seconds, you will see and hear the answer. Studuju češtinu. Děkuju moc. Není zač. Každý rok cestuješ po Africe? Ano, cestuju po Africe každý rok. Ahoj, pracuješ tady? Ano, pracuji tady už 3 roky. Dobrý den, co potřebujete? Nepotřebujeme nic. Dnes máš narozeniny. Gratulujeme. Tancuje dobře. Co to je? Někdo telefonuje. Co studuješ? Studuju informatiku. Proč to opakuješ? Film už pokračuje. And what will be your homework for today? Write me in the YouTube comments of this video full sentences about yourself using these verbs. Jmenovat se, nakupovat, cestovat. Once you're finished, there is the rest of the homework section in your exercise sheet. Congrats on diving in the 3rd group of Czech verbs today. If you need more practice of content of this channel, try the vocabs app MEMRISE, and also you can get more exercises from me here. I hope you enjoy learning with me. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and if you find this video content useful, please let me know by hitting the like button down below. Keep learning, keep studying, and I will see you again in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky, ahoj.